Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Krusteaz honey cornbread. First, gather your Krusteaz honey cornbread mix, milk, and 1 large egg. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your cornbread bakes perfectly. Also, prepare in an 8 by 8 inch baking pan by lightly greasing it. This prevents sticking and makes serving easy. Let's get baking. Now, let's mix the batter. In a medium bowl, combine the Krusteaz honey cornbread mix, 1/3 cup of milk, and 1 large egg. Stir these ingredients together until they are just moistened. It's important not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cornbread. A few small lumps are perfectly normal and will bake out beautifully. This simple step is key to a tender crumb. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. And speaking of staying cool in the kitchen, a quick recommendation. Stay hydrated with an eau à la water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your water cold while you bake. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your batter ready, pour it evenly into the greased 8 by 8 inch baking pan. Spread it gently to ensure an even thickness. Place the pan into your preheated oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is a beautiful golden brown. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. This indicates your cornbread is perfectly baked. Once baked, remove your delicious cornbread from the oven. Allow it to cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps it set and makes it easier to remove. Then, carefully cut the cornbread into 9 equal squares. Serve it warm with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside a hearty bowl of chili. Enjoy your homemade Krusteaz honey cornbread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.